One unexpected expense can push a family into crisis, especially for those on a fixed income. A retired couple went a month without hot water and contacted our newsroom for help to find solutions. Our Peter Choi shows us how community members collaboratively stepped in to help this family.
James Hughes thought life after retirement would be a fairly smooth ride, until he and his wife hit an unexpected bump along the way.
At the very bottom, there was water coming out of it.
His water heater broke. A replacement would cost him more than he can afford because of their fixed income.
Between $1,600 and $2,000.
They had to live without hot water for a month.
To do dishes, we had to boil water and wash them by hand. To take showers, we either had to take sponge baths or go over someone's house that we knew.
That's when their friend Courtney learned about their situation.
And that's a health and safety issue, especially with seniors. I'm going to reach out to every single possible person and an organization, charity.
Courtney reached out to more than 40 organizations, including News 5, asking for help. I then contact a local senior service center to see if there are any resources available for this family.
A woman named Tina reached out from Silver Key, interacted with us, got all of the basic information.
After reviewing the financial situation, a local home repair company partnered with Silver Key came the next day.
8 a.m., there's a knock on my door, and it's that same service with a new water heater. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me.
Can we assist? And if so, what does that look like?
The CEO says situations like this are becoming more common, not always people living in poverty, but those just above the threshold.
But the reality is all the expenses around them have changed. Utilities go up, when the rents still go up, where the HOA fees continue to go up.
The goal is to step in before a small problem becomes a major one.
We can be able to connect proactively with people in the middle income and maybe help solve with some budgeting issues, budgeting support.
For James, it means more than just hot water.
I think you guys are great for even caring about these types of issues. There's so much going on in the news today that you guys can be focused on, and the fact that you took the time.
In Colorado Springs, Peter Choi.
All of you are nothing short of amazing.
News 5.